Hey guys, my name is William. In today's video, we're going to be talking about instant SEO audits. That's right, instant SEO audits. My name is William. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit subscribe, turn on the bell notifications because you're not going to want to miss anything that we're going to be going over. My name is William. I have 20 years of SEO experience. And I've taken an agency from only 4 clients to hundreds, and we've helped thousands of clients get the rankings they not only need, but they also deserve. If you're an agency owner and you're always kind of wondering, William, what type of SEO tools are you using? What are you doing to get your audits done without all that pain and heartache? And also, I'm going to show you one other thing, how to use this same thing to get leads off of your SEO websites or your agency websites, and then to turn those into paying clients. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this is the audit, but let's go ahead and I'm going to pull up, if you will, where you can get this. If you wanted to get it, you go over to linkassistant.com. I am not an affiliate of linkassistant.com, so this has not been paid for, and they're not paying me to do this. It's just a tool I've been using for years. They have several tools. You don't have to buy all of them. You can just get the website auditor. The website auditor, I think, is about $300 or something like that. But essentially, all I have to do is I take and I go here, hit new, enter in the website URL, and it's going to audit it, and it's going to literally list out everything for me. I can get a summary, or I can get the details. The details pretty much are going to tell you exactly what's wrong. And when I get the details, I can literally, it's going to tell me what is a 404 page? Yes. What is it? It tells you about the factor, about Google Search Console. Is it important? Is it not important? What's wrong? And how to fix it. So it gives me all that. Another thing it allows me to do is it allows me as an agency owner to white label these reports for a specific client. So if I have another agency owner outsourcing to me, which we have a lot of them, okay, I can take this, put their logo on it, their information, their address, their phone number, their website, and send it over to them. They then send it to their client. Voila. They can then send it to their client, and then on top of that, their client sees it with their information. They know exactly what needs to be fixed and how to do it. And then in turn, most clients aren't going to want to do it, so they call them up and they say, hey, can you fix this SEO stuff for me? It looks really complex. And then all you have to do is do that. All right. We can also, with this, save the projects. So if I wanted to save the project, I could save it and check it on a monthly basis and make sure we're still on track as far as our technical SEO. So that's one reason I really like it. It goes through page structure. I can also do a page audit. I can go over keyword mapping, technical. There's tons of stuff I can do in it, but specifically for SEO instant audits, that's how we do them. Another tool I like is called My Web Audit. Okay, My Web Audit, which is right here. My Web Audit, why I like it a little bit better is, yes, it still runs the reports and all that, which is great. And I'm going to show you an example of the report, okay? So let's take a look at this report. A couple of reasons I like this one a lot better. It won't allow me to white label it, but if I was an agency owner and I wasn't needing it white labeled, that's the only hold up, I would probably go with this one. Why? Because it allows me almost to basically, if you look at it, it gives a sales pitch and everything, and you know, it tells you what's wrong with it, your scores, user experience. It really lays it out really nice as a slideshow presentation. And I can take this and send it over to the client, and they know exactly what's wrong, how they've scored, their performance, everything. And then at the very bottom, I'm giving them a consultation. I give them a pitch, and if I clicked on this, it would take them over to my consult, and they can book it. And it even gives them a sense of urgency, saying, hey, this is only for a short period of time that I'm willing to do it. Here's my information. Here's my email, phone number, website, right? So that's really cool. The other really cool thing about it is this also has lead widgets. which means I can take this as a GMB audit, or in specific, the on-page SEO report. I can take this and embed this, if you will, onto my actual website. So I could take this and embed it in my website. So what'll happen is when someone comes to my website and it says, hey, you want a free SEO audit, they fill in their information. It then does an automatic SEO audit and then sends it to them. And you also get notified of a new lead that came in on your website without you even having to do anything.
Oh my God! Wow!
So that's those are the two tools that I like, that I use the most for agencies. One that I like for, white labeled, if you will, is going to be Link Assistant or Web Auditor. The second one is my Web Audit, in which you can actually have a sales presentation and a slideshow which presents it in a very professional manner. Those two tools are my go-to tools when it comes to doing instant SEO audits. I hope this video helped all my agency owners out there to understand some tools that I would start using if I was you regarding instant SEO audits. Once again, my name is William. If you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure to hit subscribe below, turn on those bell notifications, and until next time, I'll see you, and you guys be blessed and have a great day.
I have so many SEOs that hate me and say that I'm still in their methods. They bitching and cry, labeling me SEO black hat. Was a nobody, now I'm at the top. Most wanted, most loved, bad business owners, and hated by most SEO opponents. You think you're an SEO god, but you're an SEO fraud.